These lines were not expected here, at least not today. A court allegedly stopped the exercise until the matter is heard and determined. But even the area county commander had no idea an injunction existed until after the exercise kicked off.
I've seen it, but it has no weight. And this is a party matter. It does not concern the police, so we are not taking it seriously.
The Machakos Deputy Governor Bernard Kiala boycotted the exercise, citing the court order.
In the interest of the party and in the interest of the unity of the party, I think it was resolved unanimously that the Machakos gubernatorial primaries be held today.
Bernard Kiala went to court contesting the alleged issuance of the Wiper ticket to Wavinya Ndeti. In the petition lodged under certificate of urgency, Kiala wanted the process stopped. Nominations for governor had been postponed after the party's National Elections Board summoned Peter Mathuki, Benard Kiala and Wavinya Ndeti, who had earlier been listed as contestants for the party ticket and allegedly brokered a deal that saw Wavinya given a direct ticket.
Any perceptions that were created that the party was interested in issuing a direct nomination to Wavinya Ndeti will be dealt with today decisively.
Somebody went and complained, and the party decided that it's good for us to come to the public, for the public to make the decision. And it is good. Even me, I feel better. I feel better in myself, the public making the decision.
Kalonzo Musyoka, the party leader who received Wavinya at Wiper headquarters before declaring her and Mathuki as gubernatorial aspirants, had said that the two agreed to share government on a 50-50 basis should they win the August 8th election. The party is also under pressure as the deadline for party primaries is fast approaching.
The commitment of the party is that it shall embrace the candidate who shall emerge the winner of that particular primary.
Trevor Ombija,
So I think therefore
NTV.
perceptions that were created that the